Right, I'm not tired at the minute, so let's get this underway. Stevie, this is for you, purely simply because I know you don't like seeing your gun in bits. But here we go, quick strip. Nice to leave the battery in there for me, Stevie. Right. Down to the nitty gritty stuff. Let's get this taken apart. Double time. Oh. Well, 3 minutes on the clock now. So, one of my quickest strip downs, but still pretty quick in anyone's eyes. There he is, one gearbox. So, while I'm here, let's just quickly take it apart. And there we go, stripped down in under 5 minutes. Nice and easy one that. So let's just quickly take all the gears out. Just pop that up there like that. Get rid of that screwdriver. So we have one cylinder system, complete with piston, tappet plate, nozzle, cylinder, piston. We have a selector gear, motor pinion, anti-reverse latch, and the other gear. And there we go. As you can see, there's a bit of crud and whatnot in there. So Stevie, I'll clean it up for you as well and sort it all out. Make sure it's all nice and looking new, so to speak, and see what we can do with it. The main thing that we are doing with it is I'm changing this bit here. Is aftermarket piston head, which could be the problem, but with a DMR, trial and error, as Steve knows. So let's go and take this off, put the old one in. First of all, we get the old one. Screwdriver in. Quick little undo, take it all apart, break down the old one, make sure everything's all good with them, which they are. Everything, yeah, it's rotated a bit on there, which is good. So now the old one's there. Put the right bearings in. Give a little tap. Put that in. Give that a little tap, and then you get this. Thankfully, a screwdriver is magnetic, and we screw it on. That's back in. Okay. That back in. And typical, it turns around. So let's do it this way. And then drop it on, put it on, do it up. Do it up. This is the old one, and as you can see, hardly any air seal whatsoever behind it. Right, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this O-ring off. And pop this O-ring off and transfer that onto there. Hopefully yeah, you were dirty minds might have thought that was a bit dirty, but there we go. So hopefully that's it. So going back together tomorrow night. It will be posted. Night, guys.